Here we are today in Curlewis, which is just near Drysdale, in this beautiful, magnificent property that's just been completed. And today we're going to have a walk through and run through the items that we've installed for this magnificent property here in Curlewis. Here we are today in the walk-in robe, which is the master bedroom of this home. And here we've got our double hanging, which you can see, which takes the top part and the bottom part. We've got our valet rod up here, our valet for putting the dry clean or putting anything out when you want to get dressed or anything like that at all. Over here we've got what we call our half medium hanging. This is a little bit taller than what you can see here on the double hanging. And this is for anything longer in garments with tails or longer shirts or whatever you like with the medium hanging, and it's got the lovely shelving up the top for folding over there. Into the corner here we've got the tall hanging or long hanging again, and it's also got the belt rack that you can see here, which is a great accessory tool as well. Now you will notice that we have no dead corners in our walk-in robes, so that everything's accessible. In here we've got the fillet at the top, which takes care of the coat hanger to turn around to give you the exit for taking your clothes out. So great for space saving. So everything in this room is 100% usable. As you'll notice, there's a top shelf at the top that continues the contour of the room all the way as a U shape. And it's complete storage at the top, so we've got 100% usable in the room. Over here we've got again our medium hang. It's a little bit longer than your normal double hang. And over here we've got our lovely pants rack or trouser racks. These take up to 13 pairs, or you can go a larger size, up to 16 pairs in size. And you can piggyback on the top if you need to. But these have got a skid-proof coating on the top, or a film, or a covering. And it's a non-skid situation, so your pants or your trousers are not going to fall off overnight. You won't find them on the floor, they'll continually stay on the rack. Over here we've got our lovely, what we call our hutch units. This is like the dressers, for example's sake, and over here you've got your lovely pull-out drawers here, for example's sake. All the drawers are on a soft close mechanism, more or less like got a his and hers situation here. You can, for example's sake, have these shelves removed, and we can put a piece of mirror at the back, so you act like a dresser if you want to use it for makeup or anything particular. So it comes either with a mirror backing or with adjustable shelves. Over here again we've got just the duplicate, more or less a his and hers scenario, where we've got the medium hanging again with the trouser or pants rack over here, so there's no arguments about who's got what. Over here again we've got the duplication here of the tall hanging or the long hanging. Another lovely feature that we have with our hanging rail or our pole. Our pole is 25mm polished, and we have a beautiful fitting, and the fitting is done up with a grub screw, so we get no spin or turn on our rod, so there's no rattle and roll and no spin on the clothes hanger. Now over here we've got our lovely shoe rack or our shoe bank. They're on a slant, for example, which gives you a great presentation, and it also you can see exactly what you've got. Now we have got a longer or taller height down the bottom here, and these are the stand-up boots. So the ladies can put their boots at the bottom, which is all standing, and you can see exactly what you've got. And then you've got your adjustable shelves, which work on a 32mm system, so you can regulate the heights of your shelving, but you've got all your shelving here, and you've got your lovely shoes, or you can put handbags or purses or wallets or whatever you like on the top. But it's a great array, and it gives you a great gamut of selection as far as the shoes go. And alternative to this, as far as the shoes, we also do a lovely carousel, which is can be used into an internal corner, or it can be straight on. But we also have like a Lazy Susan carousel, which is very, very popular, apart from the slanted banker shelves. Now here we are in the one of the children's bedrooms in the walk-in robes, and apart from the lovely soft close drawers, there's also a basket system here. All our baskets are again in the polished chrome that matches the decor of the finish. The baskets are a full extension, so you've got full access of the basket, and what we do have in the bottom is a mat, so the acrylic mat, for example, say, you get no creases on any of the folder material, and if you've got small change or small items, they won't fall through. So again, full extension and a lovely nest of baskets that complements the drawer system. One of the good features with baskets is they're aerated, no silverfish or mothballs required. Now, another great feature that we have with our walk-in robes is that they're a wall hung system, up to 500 kilos on a 2.4 span, so it's never going to come down, and we're off the floor. So the beauty of being off the floor, it's clutter free, you can vacuum through, you can put your plastic or your shoe boxes or put whatever you like underneath, but it gives you a great opportunity just to vacuum through, and it's a great airy and nice presentation. Not having any baseboards or skirting boards is also a great saving in cost. But apart from that, as far as the installation goes, we don't have to worry about older jobs where the floor's at a level or anything like that. So it's a great system, and it's all custom. It's made to whatever colour you want, from white to wood grains to solid colours, but whatever you need, we can do.